Welcome to Lecture Online, and now we're going to try and prove the subtraction formula for cosine. Now remember, in the last video we already proven the addition formula for cosine, which is right here, so we can rely on that being true. Now we're trying to prove that this is true. And well, we haven't done it yet, so let's start with that equation right there. What we're going to do is we're going to make this look like that equation right there. And this is how we do that. So we have the cosine of A minus, how about adding a negative angle? There we go, that's better. So notice that this is exactly the same as what I have over there. But since it's now an addition of two angles, even though one of the angles is a negative angle, I can now write this the way I did over there. So this is equal to the cosine of A times the cosine of negative B. And so minus the sine of A times the sine of a negative b. All right, now remember that the cosine of a negative angle is the same as the cosine of the positive angle, and the sine of a negative angle is the same as the negative sine of the positive angle. So this can now be written as the cosine of A times the cosine of B minus the sine of A times the negative sine of B. And if I take the negative sign over here and multiply times this negative sign over there, then this becomes the cosine of A times the cosine of B plus the sine of A times the sine of B. And so therefore, the cosine of A plus minus B, which becomes minus B, is equal to this, which means I have just proven that those are equal to each other. So it is correct. And so it's actually a much simpler proof to show that the cosine of the difference of angles can be written like that.